Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best folding squat racks that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're setting up a home gym or upgrading your workout space, we've got you covered. Check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Olympic Barbell Hanger by JN Hype. Now this product is unique in our lineup, as it focuses specifically on vertical storage for barbells, rather than being a traditional squat rack. Made from high-quality steel with a durable powder coating, it's a compact and space-saving solution for organizing your gym equipment. The rubber padding ensures your barbells stay scratch-free, which is a thoughtful touch. Design-wise, this hanger is compact and sleek, measuring just 3.93 by 3.26 by 4.33 inches. It's perfect for those who want to maximize space in smaller home gyms. Installation is straightforward, and it comes with all the necessary hardware. While it's not designed to handle full workouts, it's an excellent accessory for keeping your equipment organized and accessible. The big takeaway here is that this hanger is best for gym owners or home fitness enthusiasts who already have a squat rack but need a tidy way to store their barbells. On the downside, it's not multifunctional like the other options on this list. However, for its purpose, it's a reliable and affordable choice. Coming in at number 4 is the Fawn Bear Squat Rack. This is a great entry-level option for home gym enthusiasts who are just starting their fitness journey. With a weight capacity of 550 pounds and an adjustable design, it's versatile enough to support a variety of exercises, including squats, bench presses, pull-ups, and even dips. Its compact construction makes it a good choice for smaller spaces. The Fawn Bear is built from sturdy alloy steel and includes safety catches for added security during your workouts. It's easy to assemble and has a no-frills design, which makes it beginner-friendly. However, its lighter weight of 13.36 kilograms means it may not feel as stable for heavy-duty lifting compared to some of the higher-end racks in this list. If you're a casual lifter or have limited space, this rack is a great choice. On the flip side, advanced lifters may find the 550-pound capacity a bit limiting. Overall, the Fawn Bear Squat Rack is a budget-friendly, versatile option for light to moderate use. At number 3, we have the Adjustable Squat Rack by King Kang. This rack strikes a balance between affordability and functionality, offering a 690-pound weight capacity and several adjustable features. With 13 height positions, 4 adjustable bumper levels, and 6 width settings, this rack is designed to accommodate users of different sizes and a wide range of exercises, from squats to bench presses. The build quality is solid, with alloy steel construction and non-slip pads to keep the rack stable during use. Assembly is simple, and the included instructions are clear. However, at 17.51 kilograms, it's lighter than some competing products, which might make it feel less stable during heavy lifts. That said, it's a versatile option for small to medium home gyms. While it's not the most heavy-duty option, the King Kang Adjustable Squat Rack is a great choice for those who want flexibility in their workouts without breaking the bank. Its adjustability makes it suitable for beginners and intermediate lifters alike, though advanced users might want something a bit sturdier. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Cap Barbell FM 8000F Deluxe Power Rack. This is a heavy-duty option designed for serious lifters who need durability and versatility. Made with 12 and 14-gauge steel, this rack is built to last. It features an overhead workout station, 2 plate posts, 3 band posts on each side, and J-cup bar catches, providing a comprehensive workout solution. With a maximum combined weight capacity of 500 pounds and dimensions of 61.4 by 45.6 by 85 inches, this rack offers plenty of room for various exercises, including squats, deadlifts, and pull-ups. The gusseted frame provides extra stability, and the 3-step powder coat finish ensures durability. However, the assembly process is a bit more involved, and it's not the most space-saving option. The Cap Barbell FM 8000F is an excellent choice for intermediate to advanced users who want a versatile, durable power rack for their home gym. The only downside is its size and weight, which might not be suitable for smaller spaces. Overall, it's a reliable and sturdy investment for serious training. Finally, at number 1, we have the Suzier Folding Squat Rack. This rack stands out for its space-saving design and impressive 1,000-pound weight capacity, making it the perfect choice for those who want a high-performance rack without sacrificing space. The wall-mounted design folds down to a mere 48 by 2 by 89.8 inches, making it ideal for home gyms in garages or small rooms. The Suzier features 17 adjustable height levels, an integrated pull-up bar, and heavy-duty alloy steel construction. It's incredibly stable, thanks to its wall-mounted design, and offers a smooth user experience even during intense workouts. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced lifter, this rack can handle it all. Assembly is straightforward, but you'll need to ensure proper wall anchoring for safety. The combination of space efficiency, durability, versatility, and performance makes the Suzier Folding Squat Rack our top pick. The only potential downside is that it requires wall mounting, which might not suit those who rent their living space. However, for its price and features, it's the ultimate choice for compact, high-performance home gyms. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect folding squat rack for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have questions or need more details? Leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you. Until next time, happy lifting.